Hi, everyone. My name is Emily Kinser, and I'm currently working for the Monona Grove School District as the curriculum coordinator. Before that, I worked in the Madison Metropolitan School District for 10 years, teaching 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, ELA, math, reading, working as an ESL bilingual teacher, and working as a behavior and instructional coach. So I had a lot of experience in Madison. And before that, I actually taught for a year in Monterrey, Mexico, at an international school, which I think was a really interesting and unique way to begin a career. My husband and I went as a teaching team and went to this job fair in Iowa, and we had 15 interviews back to back to back to back to back in one day, and had a bunch of different job offers, and had to decide if we wanted to teach in Myanmar, Puerto Rico, Kenya, Colombia, Venezuela, Mexico, China. So it was a very kind of a whirlwind experience. And we had traveled to Mexico many times before that and loved the country and the culture. And we spoke Spanish. And so that's where we ended up. So that's something that's kind of unique about me and a little about my background. Um, I am enrolled in this program because after many years in the classroom and sort of working at the building level, there were some things that were frustrating about just the school system and the organization. And I wanted to kind of swim upstream and be at the table to make decisions um, that will make things better for staff, students, and families. I'm really passionate about working for equity and bringing people's identities and cultures into their learning experience in a way that's really meaningful. I'm passionate about project-based learning and um, building relationships with kids. So that's the thing I miss the most in my new role, but I'm very happy to be in a place where teachers are valued as professionals and can make the choices that are best for their students. So it's not. I really don't like situations where teachers are forced to teach, like be on this page on this day, and it's like so structured and scripted. It feels like a lot of it has really been deprofessionalized for teachers. And as an administrator, I'm hoping to help change that and sort of give teachers back some trust and autonomy, um, while at the same time having really high expectations and accountability for staff. So eventually, I would like to. I'm really interested in curriculum, which is perfect for my role of curriculum coordinator, but I'm very interested in the ways that what we teach and how we teach it can make school a more meaningful place for students and the ways that we can meet the needs of a range of learners. This is a very UDL um, friendly district, and that's something I want to help teachers continue to find ways to implement UDL practices and to teach to the edges instead of just that middle average typical student, which of course doesn't exist because there's so many different, ways that kids' brains work and interests and um, strengths and skill sets and background experiences. But so I guess that's a little more about me and my background and why I'm enrolled. I look forward to working with all of you.